हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम देखने वाले हैं क्लास 1 के इंग्लिश ग्रामर में से दिस दैट और दीज दोज का यूज़ कैसे करते हैं। चलो फिर शुरू करते हैं। दिस इज एन एलिफेंट, दैट इज अ मंकी। So here this is used for near things and that is used for the things which are away. दिस हम तब यूज़ करते हैं जब हम किसी सिंगुलर नाउन के बारे में बोलते हैं और वो पास में होता है, और दैट उन नाउन्स के लिए यूज़ होता है जो दूर होते हैं। लेट्स सी सम मोर एग्जांपल्स। दिस इज अ टैप, दिस इज अ चेयर, दिस इज अ बलून, दैट इज अ क्लाउन, that is a peacock, that is an aeroplane. So here we can see that we use this when we talk about a single thing which is near to us, and that is used when we talk about a single thing far from us. Let's see these and those. See sentences. These are girls, those are boys. So here we use these when we talk about two or more things that are near us, and those is used when we talk about two or more things that are farther away. Let's see some more examples of this. These are oranges. These oranges are near. Those are mangoes. Mangoes are far away. These are keys. Those are hens. Hens are away. I hope you liked the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe button to get more notifications. Thank you.